Preparing for a Category 4 hurricane can be daunting, but with the right plan, you can weather the storm safely. Here's a quick guide on how to get ready. First, let's talk about must-have items if you're staying in place. Flashlights with fresh batteries, extra batteries, power banks for your devices, bottled water at least 1 gallon per person per day, prepared food, canned goods and non-perishable items, charcoal and a grill, beverages and spirits for some comfort and to relax the nerves, games and activities to keep the spirits up and stay busy, crayons and coloring books for kids. Now, to secure your home. Move valuables and sentimental items to a second floor or on top of cabinets to protect them from potential flooding. Also, secure any vulnerable windows or openings. An excellent tip is to make blocks of ice in Tupperware. This can help keep your refrigerated food cold if power goes out. Don't forget to pack a getaway bag with essentials like clothes, medication, and at least $500 in cash in case of ATM or banking outages. Make a list of essential phone numbers, family, friends, and essential services so you can stay connected. And finally, take a deep breath and relax. Preparation can be stressful, but remember, you've got this.